Here's our target customer analysis. And if you are noticing as you're going through some of our steps that we primarily focus on the heart and the mind and the emotions of people. Because Headway is very purpose driven, this is very important to us that when it comes to marketing, when it comes to product development, when it comes to building a business, that you understand your customer and your potential customer a little bit more intimately. So here's what we call the target customer analysis. And the few things that you want to start off with is, again, this could be an age range, but you want to start off with understanding a little bit of the demographics of your customer, your primary target customer. Again, this is not who you think you would want it. This is who actually uses your competition. So very important. Who is your competition's customers currently, or whom research shows would need your product or service the most? They typically understand the pain well and have a desire to see it solved. Okay, and this is similar to an early adopter because they're going through the pain. And this is your general customer. They're going through the same pain and they want to see this pain solved that they're going through. So age, again, could be a range, gender, income, levels or ranges, educational ranges, ethnicity. Sometimes it could be a particular ethnicity. And this helps, right, when it comes to your full market scope. All of this information will help when it comes to understanding your total addressable market and so on and so forth. Again, the psychology, you need to really understand the motivations and characteristics of your customer. You want to understand why they're motivated, a little bit of their character. It's important you know what they value and what drives them. An in-depth early adopter research analysis should be done, which hopefully by now you've done it. How do they feel about their position in society? Very interesting psychological uh, um, fact that you want to find out. What are their key personality traits? What are their notable values? What life stage? So all this is information that's going to help you understand intimately what their needs are. I once spoke to a very high official in one of the international airports, and I asked him this question: what keeps you awake at 3 a.m.? And he gave me a list of things that keep him awake. Now, it was very important because it helped me clearly understand the pain point and it helped me better position my product to his pain. And this is very important for you to know, because staying up at 3 a.m. in the morning worrying about something, it must be something pretty big. Why are they going to use your product or service? And you already did the value proposition exercise, so that should be in here. And then what competitive edge you have. And then I mentioned here, consider our 360 value proposition exercise, which we do have a video on going through that particular worksheet. And here's last, which is the location. Where are they physically, digitally located? Be specific. Everywhere and Facebook are not answers. I want you to really dig deep in understanding it. Again, these worksheets are very valuable for you to understand a whole lot more depth in what you're doing, why you're doing, and with whom you're doing this with, so that you can be far more effective and focused and hit the target accurately. Again, this is our target customer analysis. Good luck with this exercise.